Bienvenidos and welcome back, familia, to another Rock Metal Monday. Today, we are continuing our rock metal journey with a song called No Tomorrow by Wolves at the Gate. So if you're ready, grab your headphones and let's get rocking. Pull the lyrics next to the video here to see.
I'm counting down my sins, each one a grain of sand that's filling up the desert as they're falling from my hand. I watch them slip away.
Nice layering there, time.
Passing breath that drags me to the chasm and faces me with death. Am I left with
Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. Ooh. Nice ghost notes. Nice bass too. No? Oh, cool, I love that. Wow.
It's filling up a desert as you hold them in your hand.
Wow.
You carry it away, bear it all alone. Every sin you've taken as your own.
Wow. Wow. That was pretty cool. It helped actually to look at the lyrics. It helps me better understand the story that it's trying to tell, and it paints a picture. For example, that last verse, you're counting down my sins, each one a grain of sand. So imagine all your sins as a grain of sand. And it says they're filling up a desert as you hold them in your hand. It's filling up a desert, meaning what? My sins are many, enough to fill a desert, but you don't just leave it there. You carry it away and bear it all alone. Every sin you've taken as your own. It certainly gives you a different perspective to what Jesus does. Hearing it from a metal perspective, from someone who's probably suffered a lot, and a lot of the Christian music that we listen to, it seems to have come from a perspective of someone who's already forgiven and is in the healing process. Whereas this, it's actually still in the pain, still with the open wounds, still screaming, still crying, and still reaching out to God. I liked it a lot. It had an awesome drum beat, a great bass, awesome guitar solo. So overall, I'm going to give the song 5 Archies, but that guitar solo is going home with 10 Archies. What did you think, familia? Let me know in the comment sections down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see some more, click on this video right here and I'll meet you there. Love, peace, and taco grease. Bye-bye.